Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair this Lenovo HT30 earbuds to your Windows laptop. So first of all, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%, and the bottom you can find input for the micro USB cable. For sure you have to input them into this charging case while charging. And next, when you finish, you can just take them out of this case, and when you make it, you will find out that right here we can find the two indicators, and they are automatically blinking, and after a few moments it switched to only the left one. The right one is sometimes blinking blue, but the left one is blinking blue and the red quickly. And it means that right now they are synchronized and they are in the pairing mode. So what we have to do right now, just put them close to your laptop and simply go to the settings. We have to go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices, and from this list select Bluetooth to turn it on and click to add device. Select Bluetooth one more time, and right now just be patient and wait until this device pops on the available devices list. As you can see, we can find it right now at the bottom, so just select it. As you can see, it's connecting, and right now we are successfully connected. You will also hear the notification sound, and I can also recommend you to simply go for the system settings, go for the sound, and just to be sure that your sound output and input is switched from the internal device, so internal speakers, to the HT30. And the same for the microphone. As you can see, in the microphone case it's still on our laptop, so you can switch it to our headphones. And yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.